Hi guys, Omar here with the Samsung Buds, and today I'm going to show you how to clean the case and the buds themselves. So I've got the buds, obviously you take them out.
Before I forget, subscribe, it really helps out the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified first when I post a video.
You put them to the side and we'll start with the case first of all. You will need some cotton Q-tips. Some people call these earbuds, but essentially you'll need these to get in there like so and pick up any debris or any oils that may have transferred from the buds to the case. So you go ahead and you'll do like rotation motions here. You go in and you try and get the rest of any sort of oils and stuff up there. Obviously you might need to use more than one if it's heavily sort of oiled up, and then obviously do the top as well. The top is easier to get to compared to the bottom, so there's no really, you don't have to be neat about it, because we're going to go over these with a cloth. You can use a tissue paper, or I've got a microfiber cloth here, and essentially just use your thumb, try and ball it up like so, and then put it into there and use a twisting motion, which usually works for me. And it doesn't have to be a laborious task where you're spending 10-20 minutes. It's just a wipe over like so. Make sure these contacts are wiped over, because oils that transfer from the earbuds can affect the contacts. So you just do that, and then but that is basically clean. Obviously you go over the top with the buds with the actual cloth, and that's basically clean enough. Now with the buds themselves, I'm using different earbuds here, different tips. The other ones that are closer to the actual metal bit here, so you can see that there's a bit of a it's a deeper than the usual kind, and that's just how my ears are shaped and stuff. I feel these are more comfortable for me. But the last design you would have to try and get in, and the mesh bit wasn't really well designed. This is quite good, where the mesh bit is quite close, so you don't really need anything else apart from a cloth just to clean it. You can use obviously a tissue paper if that's more absorbent for you, but all you do is you just work your cloth over the contacts, over the sensor like so. You kind of remove the actual wingtip here, put it in hot water if you really want to, but I don't think that's really necessary. And then you just run the cloth over, use the other side of the cloth like so, and that's basically it. You obviously go over the earbuds themselves. So for example, my ones are quite deeper. What I like to do is just go through with a Q-tip and just turn and push that through, and then that usually cleans it pretty good. And then you can obviously use the cloth to go over the actual rubber bit yourself. And then obviously if you're not washing this in water, you can just wipe it over, because if you're using this for workouts, then sweat and stuff can mean that these can turn dark. So it's good to just put them in hot water, but if you can't, then that's fine. You just put this back together once it's all clean like so. And I've got my earbud tip there, which I'll put on, and then there we have it. So that's basically just like new, and obviously just replace it. Just test it out once you've cleaned it, just to make sure it all works, and you're good to go. That was just a quick look at how to properly clean your Samsung Buds. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.